Alright, so I'm going to turn it on and we'll let it run for 24 hours or so, and we'll see how much water it picks up. Got different speeds. Got a timer on it too. Alright, so I'm going to let it run for 24 hours. We'll come back and check it and see how it does. And if everything looks good, I'll probably go ahead and hook it up to a drain spout that I have over here and let it drain out. Okay, so the next morning I came in and it's like this. It was full, which means it shut off. Oh yeah, it's definitely full. So that's how much water it took out. Well, somewhere around 12 hours. If you're going to use the drain hose, you first have to put this plug in right here. And then here on the back, remove this plug and put the hose in. And then of course the other end of the hose goes to a drain. Either it can be, I don't know, what, AC drain, floor drain, or whatever. It's gravity fed, so it's got to be lower than what the unit is. A couple of cautions I didn't bring out that I didn't talk about before is don't place it near chemicals, furnace, any gas appliance,